Cicudevices.
Impella Purge Cassette Leak Risk, FDA Early Alert. First of all, remember that you can find a comprehensive series of safety alerts related to Cicudevices that have been published over recent years in the playlist Cicudevices Security Alerts. The Impella system is a catheter-based mechanical circulatory support device designed to provide temporary hemodynamic assistance in patients with severe cardiac dysfunction. A critical component of this system is the Purge Cassette, which delivers rinsing fluid through the catheter to the microaxial blood pump in order to prevent blood from entering the motor housing. The purge system is therefore essential for maintaining pump integrity and continuous support. Proper purge pressure is required to avoid complications related to pump function, so any disruption of this system may have significant clinical consequences. In February 2026, the FDA has issued an early alert regarding a potentially high-risk device issue involving certain Impella Purge cassettes manufactured by Abiomed. Specifically, Generation 1 Purge cassettes have been reported to have an increased risk of purge leaks. As a result, Abiomed is removing Generation 1 Purge cassettes from markets where the updated Generation 2 version is available. If a purge cassette leak occurs, the user may observe a purge pressure low alarm on the automated Impella controller. The clinical concern arises from the consequences of a purge leak in the Impella Purge system. If a leak occurs and is not promptly addressed, purge pressure may fall, leading to low purge pressure within the system. This reduction in purge pressure can permit biomaterial ingress into the motor area of the pump. Biomaterial ingress may in turn precipitate an unexpected pump stop. This can result in abrupt loss of hemodynamic support and carries the risk of patient death in critically ill individuals who depend on Impella support. The FDA indicates that affected products include certain Impella RPUS pump sets and Purge Cassette 5-pack configurations. Customers are instructed to identify and remove all Generation 1 Purge cassettes from use. Inventory, including individually packaged units, and those contained within Impella RP pump sets, should be reviewed. Impacted products must be set aside and quarantined, and returned using the shipment label provided by Abiomed. If a Generation 2 Purge cassette is not available, and use of a Generation 1 device is absolutely necessary, increased monitoring of the purge system is required. Clinicians should refer to the instructions for use if a purge pressure low alarm is triggered. Press the like button and subscribe to stay updated on the latest Cicudevice safety alerts.